Hello guys! Ayan, isa sa mga trending na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang patungkol sa issue ng hiwalayan di umano ng engaged couple na si Andy Eigenman and Filmar Alipayo. Filmar Alipayo and Andy Eigenman couple are fueling rumors about breakups following cryptic Instagram messages and following each other on social media platforms. So trending po siya ngayon. A quick search on each of their profiles show that as of this writing, the two do not follow each other anymore. So nakilala ni Miss Andy Eigenman itong si Filmar Alipayo nung sila po or si Miss Andy Eigenman ay nagpunta doon sa Siargao para po sa isang bakasyon at pagkatapos nagkaroon sila nag-meet up sila doon, tapos naging estudyante ni Filmar Alipayo itong si Andy Eigenman sa pagtuturo sa mga surfboarding at dito po nagkamabutihan silang dalawa. Stoking the rumors further were both individuals sharing a messages via Instagram stories, with one story by Andy comparing the year of the snake to the year of work in sheep clothing. So parang nakita na natin to, 'di ba? Parang yung sheep ay yung wolf ay nagbabalat kayo, no? Parang siya po ay parang nagdi-disguise siya na parang maamo pero isa pala siyang wolf. They stab you and pretend they are the ones bleeding, said another story posted by Andy. So dahil po sa mga sunod-sunod na cryptic post nitong si Miss Andy Eigenman ay talagang nag-create siya ng parang pagtatanong ng ilang mga netizen patungkol po sa kanila pong relationship ng kanyang husband na si Mr. Filmar Alipayo. The former actress followed up the story with a screenshot of discussion with ChatGPT asking if it is suspicious when a friend asked to get love couples tattoo with another person's life partner without consultation. Biruin po ninyo ha. Si Andy Eigenman po, nag-consult siya sa ChatGPT. Ito po ay isang app kung saan pwede ka magtanong sa kanya at sasagutin ka niya directly, no? And siguro wala pong mapagtanungan itong si Andy Eigenman during that time, kaya naisip niya na magtanong dito sa ChatGPT na to. Several hours later, Andy posted another story that reads, "Took it personally because I never wouldn't done it to you." It was followed by an explanatory text she wrote herself. Sabi niya, "I have seen the red flags but choose to look beyond it since she was already a friend before I came into the picture." So sinasabi niya na yung girl na tinuturong third party doon po sa kanilang relasyon ni Mr. Filmar Alipayo is kaibigan na po ni Mr. Filmar bago pa siya dumating sa buhay ni Filmar. Ibig sabihin, matagal na silang magkaibigan and kumbaga masasabi natin na close friend talaga ni Filmar Alipayo itong si girl. So, sabi niya pa, on his own Instagram story, Filmar confirmed in his native language whatever people were reading was true. So, ibig sabihin, lahat daw po ng mga nababasa at lahat ng mga post ni Miss Andy Eigenman ay pinapatotohanan nitong si Mr. Filmar Alipayo. You all can call me a cheater and ugly now, but thank you to the people who truly know me, sabi po ni Mr. Filmar Alipayo. The issue comes less than a year after Filmar was allegedly caught on camera talking with another woman, but the couple brushed it aside. So, kung matatandaan ninyo is parang na-issue na rin si Filmar Alipayo sa isang girl, no? Isang content creator po siya, pero yung issue na yun parang binaliwala lang ni Andy Eigenman and parang namatay na lang yung issue na yun na hindi po nila yun or parang dinedma na lang nitong si Miss Andy. Pero alam natin, no, at the back of her mind, pinaglaban niya talaga itong si Filmar doon po sa girl na yun. The issue comes less than a year. Filmar Alipayo caught on camera talking with another woman, but the couple brushed it aside. And Andy Filmar are based in Siargao, are the parents to Lilo and Koa, as well as Ellie, Andy's daughter with actor Jake Ejercito. The couple got engaged in 2020 and intended to wedding in 2024, but plans were postponed phone following the death of Andy's mother's actress Jacqueline Jose. Dito ako naniniwala na minsan may mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin inaasahan. Nakakala natin is pinaintulot lang sa atin yun dahil nangyari lang. Pero hindi natin alam na meron pala talagang purpose. Ibig sabihin pala, prior po dun sa pagkamatay, 'di ba? Parang after mamatay nung mother ni Miss Andy Eigenman is nakaplano na pala yung kanilang kasal sana ng 2024. Kaso nga lang syempre meron po tayong ang mga Pilipino kasi or even yung ibang mga tao, meron silang mga paniniwala na hindi pwedeng pagsabayin yon. Kasi nasa grieving stage pa po si Miss Andy, maging ang pamilya ni Andy. Kaya pala during those times na parang meron pong yung during the wake of Miss Jacqueline Jose is hindi po masyadong nakikita doon si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo. Nagpunta na lang siya nung mga bandang huli na nung parang matatapos na yung ilang araw na viewing time, tapos yung mga araw na nandun yung mga ibang artista, diba? So sabi niya po sa isang chat GPT, do you think it's when a friend invites your life partner to get a love couple tattoo with them without even filing you in a consulting you? So, sumagot po si chat GPT that situation can definitely seem suspicious or raise some red flags. Open communication and trust are important in any relationship. So, if your friend is inviting your partner to do something so personal without discussing it with you, it might feel like breach of trust. It's worth having a conversation with both of your partner and your friends to express your feeling and understand their perspective. So, isa sa mga ikinagalit ni Miss Andy Eigenman is yung nagpatato itong si Pilmar Alipayo tsaka yung kanyang friend na pares mo sila ng parang couple tattoo na meron pong ibig sabihin. Sabi po sa TikTok parang it's about trust and stability. Ganun po yung niya. So, sa nakikita niya sa screen natin, yun po yung pinatato nilang dalawa. So, woke up, sabi po ni Miss Andy Eigenman, bakit daw hindi ipinaalam, parang hindi nagpaalam si Pilmar Alipayo na gagawin niya yon with his best friend, no? And sabi pa niya, but me and my life partner, we fight when this happened and she immediately comes to his rescue and then invite him to do this. Took it personally because I never wouldn't done to you. Explain na lang para sure. Per context, have seen the red flags but choose to look beyond it since she was already a friend before I came to the picture. So parang sinasabi dito na talagang may mga chances na nag-aaway nga daw itong si Andy Eigenman at saka si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo na imbis na pag-ayusin sila ng friend niya na sinatawag, parang sinasabi nila na okay na yan, hiwalayan mo na lang yan, ganyan. So, hindi nagiging maganda yung nagiging nito, effect, no? Hindi nagiging maganda yung sinasabi ng girl dito po kay Miss Andy Eigenman. So, dahil po dito, ito po yung talagang naging cause. At lately, ay umamin na rin po itong si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo na talagang they are separated na. Andy Eigenman denied cheating allegation involving her surfer husband Pilmar Alipayo in a freshly posted Instagram stories on Saturday noon. Ngayon lang po yan. The actress first clarified about her earlier post that some online user thought alluding to cheating. Sabi niya, I am fully aware that my husband never cheated on me with this girl. I am always around when they are together, Andy began, not revealing the name of the woman in the issue. And Andy, who is now based in Siargao with Pilmar and their kids, revealed that the reason why she posted the series of cryptic Instagram stories early Saturday morning, she's also added details to their marital life and how the unidentified woman whom she called friend affected it. So talagang sabi niya nga, napapanahon daw talaga yung Year of the Snake kasi parang yun na yung nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. So, what is the dito, or what's the lesson about this is that parang, yun nga katulad na narinig ko sa isang TikToker na parang yung best friend niya kasi is a girl, diba? Sabi niya nga kapag daw nag-asawa ka na or may partner ka na, dapat ang ang pinaka magiging best friend mo na is yung partner mo, 'di ba? Lalo na ano pa sila, pares isang babae tsaka isang lalaki. Kaya ang nagiging tendency nun is talagang gumugulo yung sitwasyon. So, as of this moment is wala pa naman pong nilalabas na any statement itong si Mr. Filmar Alipayo with regards to this. Aside sa umamin siya na kung ano man yung mga nababasa sa mga social media ay totoo lahat yon. So, kayo anong inyong saloobin patungkol dito? Comment down below.